Good morning all the student of class 3. Welcome to your math class student. So student, today we will do a new chapter from the composite and the chapter is multiplication. So take out your composite book and the page number is 80. So as all of you in class 2 already learned about multiplication, in class 3 you will learn little bit more, okay? So maybe in class 2 you done 2-digit multiplication, here you will do 3-digit multiplication, okay? So before start multiplication, if I write, look at here, that 2 into 3, so 2 into 3 is 6, isn't it? Now this is called 2 into 3 equal to 6. So this is the multiplication form. Now if I write, you can say it like that, the 2 times 3, 2 times 3, you can say it like this, 2 times 3 is also like is 6. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Now 2 times, how many times? 2 times, which number? 3. So you can write 3 plus 3 equal to 6, isn't it? If you add 2, 3, you will get 6, isn't it? So this is called what? Multiplication fact. And this one, this is the addition. How many times 3 repeat? Here 2 times 3 repeat. It is called addition form of repeated addition form, okay? This is called repeated addition form because here continuously addition repeated form. You can take another example. If I say that if I am saying 4 into 3, it means 4 times 3. How many times? 4 times. Which number? 3. So you have to be write down 3 4 times and you have to be add like the 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. This is the repeated form, repetition. See how many times the addition repeat is 4 times, isn't it? Because so 3 times the addition symbol comes, but you repeat the 3 for the 4 times, okay? So on exercise number 14, by looking at the picture, I think you can do it. And then after that, multiplication table from 2 to 10. All of you know the table of 1 to 10, I know. So exercise number 15, 2 into 7 is 14, 4 into 6 is 24. This one you can do, isn't it? Now I will explain exercise number 16, okay? Exercise 16. Look at the first example. The first one is very easy. 1, 7. Sorry, there are 2 1. 1 multiply with 7. So how you have to do the multiplication? Simple. Whatever the number is below, you have to be multiply this number with each of the number which are on the top side. Okay, so first you will multiply this 7 with this 1. So 7 ones are 7. Okay, this part is done, there is no carry. Then after that, this 7 will once again multiply with this 1. So 7 into 1 is 7. Okay, now look at the second example. Is 2 into 1. So 2 1 into 4. So here also we will do the same process. 4 into 1 means 4 ones are 4. Then after with the same number, which number in the below? 4. So we will multiply this 4 with 2. So 4 2s are 8. Okay. Now move for the sixth number example. Sixth number example. Okay. 3 0 multiply with 3. So listen, if you multiply any number with 0, you will get always 0. Okay, the answer will be always 0. So here first see 3 is on the bottom. So we will multiply this 3 with 0 and this 3 with this 3, isn't it? So first of all, this multiplication, 3 zeros are 0, then 3 3s are 9. Okay, in this way you have to do the exercise number 16. Okay, now come to the 17 number exercise. Okay, number exercise. So look at the first example. This is carry multiplication. So 2 3 which is multiply with 4. Okay, so how we have to do the same process? We have to multiply this number which is in the below with this number with all the numbers whatever in the top side. So see, first we will multiply 4 with 3. So 4 3s is 12. 4 3s is 12, isn't it? Now we will take only 2 here, and this one will be carry on the next number top. Okay, now 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 2s are 8 plus carry 1 is 9. Understand, student? Now take the second example. 47 which is multiply with 3. Okay, so same process. 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are 21. So we will write here 1. The 2 will be carried to the next number top. Then after that we will multiply this 3 once again with the 4. So 4 3s are 12. 12 plus carry 1 is 40. Okay. Okay, so this is not the, okay, on the below it has written 2, but I have written as 3. That's mean this math is not matched with your book. So this is a extra, okay, extra multiplication. Now in the same way, if I say 38 multiply with 5. See, 38, this is a 19 number math. So what we have to do, student? The same, we have to multiply this 5 with this 8. So 5 8s are 40. So 0 is there, 4 will be carried to the next number top. Okay, if you think that you couldn't remember the carry, then you should write down the carry number on the top of the next number. Okay, now 5 3 is a 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. Okay, so 190 is the answer. So in this way you have to do all the maths of exercise 17. Okay, I hope that you understand, and those maths are very easy. Okay, so practice all the exercise at home. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.